Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to create and assign different text group to different product in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting, and then you see text. So click on it. So we are going to create and assign different text group to different product. So we are in text section. Now go to product. So this is all our product. Now open any product. Now product is open, and then you see product text group, product default rate. So we have one group. So we are going to create different product text group and assign to different product. Now back to setting and then scroll down. Now you see text group, create custom group for item that need special text rate. So click on add custom group. So click on it. Now you see pop-up, add a new group. So you can add name according to requirement. So we added name heavy text product group name. So click on add. So after that we are going to assign product. Now you see heavy text product was added. Now you see group name. So this is our text group. Now you see zero product. So you can create multiple groups and then you can assign these text group to different product according to requirement. Now you see add product. So click on it. Now you see organic product. So this is our default text group. Now go to product. Now you see. So default is product. Now back to setting. So organic product, we assign this and then click on save. Now you see group name, text group, and this is our one product. Now go to product. Default is product. Now refresh the page to check. If you want, you can change group from here also in edit product page. So we are in product again, and then you see product text group, heavy text product. So it's up to you. You can assign from here and you can assign from setting. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.